Morgen, maaga kami. Ang lamig-lamig. Good morning, Ana. Good morning. And the roots there. So, papunta kaming barn. It's December 26 and Netherlands, dalawang Christmas day. So, yeah. Papunta kaming barn, mag-pick up kami ng kasama cake. Alas 9 ng umaga. So, malilate kami, I think, ng konti. I think na 10:30 pa naman yung namin. Abstract yung appointment. So, stop over muna kami dito. Kumukuha ng drink si Ruth. Nagmadali na kami kasi matagal kami nagising ba. So, andun na, nasa gas station kami. Yeah. May Starbucks dyan. Pero, pula lang yung kukunin namin. We're 40 minutes away. So, malilate kami mga 10 to 15 minutes. Hindi naman talaga late kasi 10:30 yung appointment. Pero mag-drop by ako sa friend ko si Joy. Mag-hello lang kasi hindi kami pwedeng magtagal kasi nga magmamadali kami kasi magluluto pa ako pagdating namin sa bahay kasi 1 hour yung biyahe, no? Yeah, ako po yung magluluto para sa early dinner ng family. So yeah, mag-exchange gifts din kami mamaya. Excited akong ibigay sa kanila yung mga little presents na inanda ko. Ana, you can see the sun there. So, hi. Say hi. Tinanggal ko yung niya. Tinanggal ko yung yung scarf niya kasi pumupunta sa niya. Papa is here. Papa is back.
Papa is terug.
Papa is terug. So, drive na ulit kami. Pauwi na kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog doon kay Joy tsaka kay Ate Mel kasi irritable si Ana. So, andito na ako sa likod. Kasama kami ni Ana. Ayan. Para binigyan ko ng phone para medyo ma-relax siya pa kasi grabe yung iyak niya kanina. Talagang iyak ng iyak. Sigaw ng sigaw. So, yung cassava cake natin nasa likod. Ang bango-bango. Hindi ko mapakita. So, pakita ko sa inyo sa bahay na lang. Malapit na kami mga 40 minutes. Di pa di ay, malayo pa di ay. 40 minutes na lang, bahay na kami.
A few moments later.
Hello! We're house ko no. Why is that house? We're home. Oy, shh, kunog, shh. Ay, kunog saba. Shh. We're home. And, andito yung pinick up namin cassava cake. Super init pa niya. Wow. Pinadala ni Ate Mel yung tray niya. Grabe, ang sarap nito. Wow.
Yeah, milk.
So, si Ana, magmi-milk tapos matutulog na siya. And then, magluluto ako ng pansit tsaka yung main dish namin mamaya. Pansit tsaka chicken tenders. So, yun, papakita ko sa inyo ng konti ang aking lulutuin mamaya. Pero, sobrang sarap ng cassava cake ni Ate Mel. Ang laki po niya. So, kung nasa Netherlands kayo, I don't know if nag-accept ng order si Ate Mel, no? Or kami lang na friends niya yung pina-order niya. Pero, super sarap. Hindi po ako masyadong mahilig sa cassava cake, pero ito yung pinakamasarap na cassava cake na na-try ko si Ate Mel. Grabe talaga, oh. Can you imagine how big it is? It's like one tray ng shopping box. Ito, shopping box or tray. Super laki, sulit na sulit. Sus, Ginoo kalami. So, kain ako ng konti nito. Transfer ko din siya. Si Joy, may gift siya para sa amin. Para kay Ana din, sabi niya. So, bakit let's unwrap this one. Papa, can you open?
Me?
Yeah.
Which one?
All of them.
All of them.
So nice.
This is for all of us. Oh, there's your glasses on it, yeah.
It's so nice of Joy. Si Ana, yun. Dede.
Yeah?
The letter in it, wrong?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. That's nice.
Oh.
Prettige kerstdagen. Ruud, G, that's nice, G,
Good age.
and Anna. Happy holidays, guys. Enjoy the Christmas with your family.
Hopefully next year we could all
beautiful.
gather for a big Christmas. Yeah, I hope so too.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so
mooi.
nice. Yeah, more.
Nice one, huh? We should do it by the Christmas tree.
Yeah. Yung lahat ng cards namin na natanggap, nilagay ko lahat sa Christmas tree. She has it has its own place then. So see, namin cards na natanggap. Super nice. Do you need scissors?
No, I can do it like this. It won't be just.
Wala, hindi pa kami nagligpit dito. Ang kalat pa sa amin. Pero yeah, ganyan talaga. Chocolate,
Ooh.
Chocolate?
Yeah, kind of.
Chocolate!
Bonbons.
Oh. Ruth is so happy. We got a lot of chocolate for Christmas.
For a full week. It's really nice.
Oh, dankjewel.
Die met, ze heet met nuts. Hazelnoten.
Okay, hazelnut.
That's good. High five, man.
Yeah.
It's nice of them.
Yeah, that's so nice, Joy. Thank you.
Dankjewel.
Meron pa dito, oh. This is for Anna. Alin for Anna.
Ah. Anna should
There's
help.
for Anna. Which is, yeah, there's a name on it.
Anna, kom eens. Oh, she already finished the milk.
Yeah, okay. Open it.
So.
Open, Anna. Open it.
Oh, she wants to give it to you.
Yeah, open it. Go. Open.
Hey.
Let me sit up, Papa.
Up, yep, up, up.
Yeah, open. Open it. Hey, go. Open. Go. Open. Open. Now. Now. Wow. Not yet. More, Anna.
Ja, kom hier.
Our 19-month-old opening her her own gift. Her gift. Yeah! Wow!
Oh, dat is mooi. Hey, van Disney.
Kijk eens!
Hey.
Hey!
Dat is mooi, hè?
Dat is mooi. I think she's more interested in the sticker than the thing itself.
Nice, hè?
Oh, that's mooi. What's that? No, that's Anna. Of niet? It's also Anna.
I don't know.
The character.
I don't know the new ones. I only know the old ones. Oh, it's a perfect size, 98.
Oh, then she's ready for summer. Anna, there's another thing there. There's a coin, I think.
Yeah, I think it's wait.
Bitcoin.
Yeah, we had it with normally we had it with Sinterklaas. There's chocolate in it also.
Okay, Bitcoin chocolate. Yeah.
Yep.
Now. Thank you, Joy. It's perfect
Dankjewel.
size for Anna. She needs 98 to 104 by summer. So now she's using 92 to 98. So now, agoy. Aren't you spoiled, Anna? May chocolate pa kami, oh. Bitcoin chocolates. Yan. And she also got something for me. Kay Papa. This is shower foam. Caring and moisturizing. Oh, that's so nice of Joy. Thank you, Joy. Anna, say thank you, Tante Joy. Anna. Bye-bye, manood. Thank you.
She's eating chocolate.
Thank you. Thank you, Joy. Salamat.
Dankjewel. Ja?
Na, thank you.
Dankjewel.
Thank you. Kumakain na siya eh. So, mag-ano lang kami. Atid ko na si Anna sa taas para matulog na siya. Para makapag-ano na din ako. Makaluto na ako ba. So, balikan ko na naman kayo later. Time check, ano na? 2:05. Hindi pa rin ako tapos. Nagsiseparate na si Rod sa aming cassava cake. Ito, pakita ko na lang later. Noodles to, tsaka gumawa ako ng shrimp na stir fry lang with vegetables for my sister-in-law. And then, cake, cassava cake. Tapos gumagawa ako ng chicken tenders ngayon. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hindi pa luto. Sana masarap to, guys. Dalawang talaga para madali na. Pati na lang si Ana is tulog pa. Dali na pa ako nagluluto. all na prepare. Yung pag ano kasi ng ingredients, matagal din ba? Yan. So, as you can see, wala pa akong ligo. I was saying, I haven't washed up yet.
Nee, shoot.
You should tunayang na. And ito yung mga mga munting gifts namin. Papa,
Yeah?
the only problem is we don't have something for Ruth.
Je broke it,
Yeah, Ruth broke
ja.
broke
Het was not good quality.
broke my gift for Ruth. Another Ruth. Yung partner ng kapatid ni Ruth. Ruth din ang pangalan. Same name sila.
You can give him a little piece of cake like that.
Yeah. Kasi he broke it. He broke the kado while I was trying to wrap it last night. He broke it.
Yeah.
Oh, really? You broke it. Who else?
You said I should open it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Gently. So, anyway, tapusin ko na to guys. Maliligo pa ako. Magre-ready pa ako. Kita-kita na lang later.